big, deep breath, Divine One, and thank you for joining me for this week's guided meditation as we lighten our hearts by unburdening ourselves of any shame, guilt, or stagnant energy in our field. As we begin today, I ask you to bring your attention to your breath, creating space in this moment to invest time and attention into yourself and the cleansing of your energetic field. As you sink into this moment, breathing deeply into your being, simply breathing in and out, in and out, knowing that as you breathe, you align with the universal energies. You align with the heart and the frequency of love. As you continue to breathe, know that with each breath, you are sinking deeper and deeper into a meditative state, deeper and deeper into relaxation as your worries simply fade away, giving yourself this time to be free of everything but the here and now. As you breathe, imagine yourself walking down a beautiful forest path. You feel your feet sinking into the rich soil, grounding you into the Earth Mother, where you find safety and peace. As you walk down this path, you notice a beautiful white dove flying through the air above you, as if she is leading you to your destination, a symbol of peace and harmony. You gladly follow this beautiful dove. And as you walk in her direction, following the rhythm of her soaring wings, a powerful red energy circles around you, rooting you into the earth as you activate your first chakra, allowing you to experience deep safety and stability in the here and now, anchoring into the truth of your soul. Moving through this red energy as it begins to swirl with a vibrant orange, awakening you to the life force energy within as your second chakra activates and your divine feminine stands fully in her knowing, surrendered and nurtured by all that is. Dancing through this beautiful energy, a vibrant yellow now falls around you, awakening your third chakra, your power center fully active, like a bright fire burning within. The passions and creations of your soul come to life as your divine masculine creates the movement and structure. Breathing into this power and essence. A life-giving green wraps itself around you, opening and expanding your fourth chakra as you align with the frequency of love. able to give and receive freely here. Nothing but love exists as all judgments and expectations of others and self fall away. The frequency of love encompasses your being as you return to your true nature. And now a bright blue energy washes over you, revealing your soul essence as your fifth chakra opens and aligns with each chakra before it. Your authentic self is expressed here as powerful words vibrate from your being, revealing the truth of your nature here and now. The blue deepens into an indigo as your third eye activates and all of your senses become open and clear, revealing the nature of our personal reality here on earth as you tune in to your cosmic knowing. And with a final burst of color, a vibrant violet falls down, activating your crown as you plug in to the cosmic, divine soul that you are, aligned from head to toe, soul to bone, rooted into the earth, expanded into the cosmos, fully in your power, as a bright white light washes over you, cleansing your field as you see clearly now the forest path, the beautiful white dove still ahead of you, dancing around you as she leads you to your destiny. As you continue to follow the dove, breathing into your heart space, you come upon an opening on the forest path. There is a beautiful stump of a tree awaiting you. As you sit on this tree stump, the white dove lands upon you. She is here to help you unburden your heart so that you might soar through the cosmos as you were always intended. As you sit here on this stump, allow yourself to hear the message of this beautiful dove, sharing with her the burdens currently on your heart, anything that is heavy in your being, the guilt, the shame, the doubts, the burdens, anything you carry with you. Give to her now and listen to her divine message now. As this beautiful message comes to an end, the white dove begins to fly all around you. With each wave of her wings, Your soul becomes unburdened of all that you might carry as she fans through your energetic field, leaving behind a pure white light, cleansing you of all low vibrational energy, returning you to your true essence of love, worthiness, and acceptance for all that you are. You feel a lightness replace what was once heavy. And as you sink into this moment, you feel wings expand from your being. As you feel these wings expand, you begin to move them in the wind as you take flight, light as a feather soaring through the earthly field, rising into the cosmos as you remember all that you are. As you dance through the clouds and the tops of the trees, you feel delightful, playful, joyful, as you realize that this human experience is meant to be enjoyed. That as you follow your heart and the truth of your soul, you can never choose wrong. As the expectations of the world fall away, you find freedom and inspiration within your heart, allowing yourself to stay in this expanded state as you land back on the forest path, cementing in this knowing of your true, light-hearted nature. Every step you take now brings you back into your current reality, remaining in this high vibrational essence, knowing you can soar in any moment as you unburden your heart, breathing deep in and out as you wiggle your fingers and toes, setting the intention to anchor into this knowing and move through the rest of your day with a feeling of joy, delight, and light-hearted nature as you find inspiration and curiosity in all that you do. Breathing in and out. When you are ready, open your eyes.